As new UFC token rises 31,000% in 24 hours, this lesser-known crypto has secured $500,000. Next 100x coin. Im class equals align on size full WP image 130,953 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,959,757 boxing 4,707,285 1,280 JPG. Alt equals width equals 1,280 height equals 889 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,959,757 boxing 4,707,285 1,280 JPG 1,280 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,959,757 boxing 4,707,285 1,280 300x211 JPG 300 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,959,757 boxing 4,707,285 1,280 1,024 718 JPG 1,924 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,959,757 boxing 4,707,285 1,280 768x 539 JPG 768 with sizes equals max width 1,208x 100 wa 1,208x /DX Markets continue to undertake sensational price moves. A new token launched by UFC DAO has exploded plus 31,000% in a major upside move, but with this other lesser-known crypto securing $500,000 at presale, could this be the next 100x coin? Indeed, despite the dramatic pump move, with retracement now underway, the alarm bells around the UFC token are ringing. Insiders detected by at CoinSpeedrun UFC. DAO dollar of contract 0x 35 on 569 C6 F00 65 1878 0 4879 Cone 8187 B35. See the insider's current share percent by searching on https://t co/h of 538x LJS. CoinSpeedrun Bot at CoinSpeedrun Bot November 13, 2023. This comes after CoinSpeedrun Bot, a crypto scam detector bot on Twitter X, tweeted out that UFC DAO is a scam coin with significant insider wallets. Price analysis. Is UFC DAO doomed to dump after crypto security bot spotlights potential scam? Amid the damaging news that UFC DAO could be a scam coin, UFC is currently trading at a market price of $1,675, representing a 24-hour change of minus 13.6%. This comes following a sensational launch on DX Markets yesterday at just 5:30 a.m. Whilst meeting slow initial traction in the first few hours of trading, a huge plus 9,600% candle triggered at 9:30 a.m. as around 300 backholders rushed into the emerging moonshot token. Im class equals align on size full WP image 130,948 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,959,482 us unit dextools 2023/11/14/10/46/39 PNG. Alt equals width equals 1,460 height equals 631 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,959,482 us unit dextools 2023/11/14/10/46/39 PNG 1,460 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,959,482 us unit dextools 2023/11/14/10/46/39 300x 130 PNG 300 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,959,482 us unit dextools 2023/11/14/10/46/39 10/24x 443 PNG 1924 https://cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,959,482 of USD Uni dextools EO 2023 11 14 10 46 39 768 x 332 PNG 768 WS. ISIS equals max width 1406 tips 100 W 1406 tips / following the dramatic price move. Volume steadily increased throughout the rest of UFC DAO's first day of trading, fueling a further plus 32% move to an all-time high of 3,135 cents. Yet, despite cracking the $1 market cap, a major retracement move appears to be underway, likely triggered by a combination of the scam bot tweet and the minuscule $2.8K of available liquidity in the classic honeypot. But while UFC DAO has emerged as an indisputable scam, another hotshot on the markets this morning is a rapidly growing presale for a new meme coin, already exploding to $500,000 raised pre-launch. This Bitcoin alternative token could skyrocket amid Bitcoin ETF bullrun. Don't miss out. Im class equals align on size vol WP image 130,250. SRC equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2023 11/1,689,959,551 1,689,870,847 images 87 web alt equals width equals 1200 height equals 628 SRC set equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2023 11/1,689,959,551 1,689,870,847 images 87 web 1200 w https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2023 11/1,689,959,551 1,689,870,847 images 87 300 x 157 web 300 w https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2023 11/1,689,959,551 1,689,870,847 images 87 1924 x 536 web 1924 https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2023 11/1,689,959,551 1,689,870,847 images 87 768 x 402 web 768 WS. ISIS equals max width 1200 x 100 W 1200 x / a new Bitcoin alternative presale launched this week, offering eagle-eyed traders the opportunity to make it big on unfolding Bitcoin ETF rumors without having to eat the $36,000 cost of becoming a whole coiner. Bitcoin ETF token $BTCF is currently trading at a market price of 5 cents in funding. Round stage 1 with an alluring $565,109 raised in the opening weekend of presale. Designed and built with skyrocket potential in mind, this promising token aims to bank big on market excitement surrounding the ongoing applications for Bitcoin spot ETFs. Aiming for a hard cap of $5M in presale funding, the early stage of this emerging project's presale offers investors a unique opportunity to get in during this early entry point, which could set the stage for life-changing gains. Ride the ETF rally with ease. Bitcoin ETF token is a critical component in every BTC trader's toolbox. Im class equals align on size vol WP image 130,252 SRC equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2023 11/1,689,959,567 1,689,870,869 pasted image 017 1,536 575 1 PNG alt equals width equals 1,536 height equals 575 SRC set equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2023 11/1,689,959,567 1,689,870,869 pasted image 017 1,536 575 1 PNG 1,536 w https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2023 11/1,689,959,567 1,689,870,869 pasted image 017 1,536 575 130 Rox 11 2 PNG 300 w https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2023/11/1,689,959,567 1,689,870,869 pasted image 017 1,536 575 11024 x 383 PNG 1924 https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2023/11/1,689,959,567 1,689,870,869 pasted image 017 1,536 575 1768 x 288 PNG 768 with sizes equals max width 1,536 x 100 wa 1,536 indeed, Bitcoin ETF isn't simply a useless meme coin. Beyond taking aim at the biggest narrative in crypto, BTCF has a major utility, Bitcoin ETF news alerts. The token's D app offers traders a live feed of the latest Bitcoin spot ETF information and news with sophisticated technology, tracking applications real-time at the SEC, and high-speed bots monitoring social media for the latest breaking ETF news. But a simple feed of Bitcoin spot ETF news only highlights a fraction of Bitcoin ETF tokens' potential, with easy access to real-time update alerts offering sharp traders the opportunity to make market-beating returns stress-free, being amongst the first to hear about privileged Bitcoin spot ETF news. This could enable traders to position themselves appropriately in seismic Bitcoin market movements, making Bitcoin ETF token a critical component in every BTC trader's toolbox this winter. Surging interest in Bitcoin alternatives leaves $BTCF poised to outperform Nutcoin token. Project tokenomics are bolstered by ambitious plans for the incorporation of staking rewards that incentivize long-term holding, alongside a burn mechanism which will enhance $BTCF as a digital gold alternative by creating a deflationary mechanism in price. Set for Stage 3 of the Bitcoin ETF project roadmap, an initial burn mechanism will be introduced amid a well-marketed DX launch, imposing an initial 5% burn tax on transactions. This will be reduced by 1% each time a Bitcoin ETF news milestone is reached. However, plans are afoot for a larger burn mechanism in Stage 4, in a move that will see 25% of token supply burned over time. This will be conducted in 5% burn intervals, with each supply-side reduction taking place as a Bitcoin ETF news milestone is met. The milestones for the burn mechanism are as follows. Milestone 1, $BTCF trading volume hits $100. Burn tax on transactions reduced from 5% to 4%, and 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 2, first Bitcoin ETF is approved by SEC, burn tax on transactions is reduced from 4% to 3%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 3, first Bitcoin ETF launch date, burn tax on transactions is reduced from 3% to 2%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 4, Bitcoin ETF assets under management AUM hits $1 billion, burn tax on transactions is reduced from 2% to 1%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 5, Bitcoin price hits $100, burn tax on transactions is reduced from 1% to 0%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. This will create a gradual decrease in total supply, eventually leaving around 70% of BTCF in circulation, with the supply side reduction inducing upside price growth. And that is without considering the potential for token value accrual driven by demand from traders for access to the ETF News D app and the ever-present demand for Bitcoin alternatives. Indeed, 2023 has seen explosive growth in Bitcoin-related tokens, with markets showing a real appetite for BRC20 ordinal tokens, Bitcoin cloud mining, and Bitcoin derivatives. So don't miss your chance to get in early ahead of the next major Bitcoin rally leg. Buy Bitcoin ETF here. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter. A quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up.